Guys, it's Girl at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line band-aid. I'm going to go in first and base coat the edges of my band-aid in the color Pinecone. And I'm using putty for the center, and then I'm going to finish it off by going in and painting the center, or the heart, and soft pink. But before I do that, I'm going to go in and paint the little polka dots that are etched in there using the leftover putty. Now I'm just going to let everything dry, and then I'm going to go in with the number 4 round in the color Savannah Mist, and I'm going to outline everything. And I'm just outlining my heart with the color Lucky Lavender, and then that will complete my project. So this is a super easy cutout, won't be sweet for all your nurse friends. I am going to go in and highlight with a little white. How could I forget? I just like to do this to brighten everything up, and then that is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.